The Kangaroo Motion Sensor. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Kangaroo Motion Sensor for the home. It's a hub-free unit and you can get alerts when you are away. The company sent this out for me to review. And as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a security sticker, a user manual, extra mounting tape, and an optional mounting screw. The motion sensor does not require a hub, and it connects to your Wi-Fi network. All the controls are accessed via an iOS or Android app. This will detect motion and alert you on your devices. It doesn't require a subscription for the basic alerting, but for the extra features, they have a subscription service for a small monthly fee. The sensor is small in size and made of plastic. On the front, you have the motion sensor and the blue LED status light, which is used for pairing and setup of the sensor. On the back, you have the mounting tape and a mounting hole if you choose to use the supplied screw. And on the right side, you have the reset button. Sliding the back cover, you will have access to the battery compartment. And this uses two AA batteries, which can last up to 2 years, depending on the usage. The sensor comes in at 1.5 by 3.5 by 0.7 of an inch. And it weighs approximately 54 grams. To set up the sensor, you have to download the Kangaroo Simple Home Security app. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your user information along with the network info. I will not go over each screen, but it's easy to follow. Once the sensor is set up, you will get the confirmation and have access to the dashboard. The main dashboard allows you to arm the sensor by sliding the slider to the right, and this arm you slide to the left. When you arm the sensor, it will do a 5-minute countdown before it arms. This gives you enough time to leave the home or area of coverage so it does not trigger prematurely. You can also change the duration to 10 minutes. The settings icon will give you access to your account settings. You can change and update your information, manage the sensor, and check the battery life. And as mentioned earlier, this will work without a subscription, and you will get notifications via the app. They offer a monthly plan which will unlock more features from 24/7 monitoring, emergency dispatch, text and voice notifications, and Alexa integration. Now I have the sensor mounted using the mounting tape. I've armed the sensor and is counting down, and I will trigger it by waving my hand. As you can see, the app notification that motion was detected, with the location and timestamp. You can also set the name in the settings for the sensor. Clicking on the dismiss will also disarm the sensor, and you will have to wait 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending on your settings. I wish there was just an option to just dismiss rather than waiting to rearm. This motion sensor worked well, and it can be placed in multiple locations if you want to increase the security and have peace of mind. This can also be a good addition to your existing home security solution. It's easy to set up, requires no extra hub, and no monthly fees. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.